We could tell you how long we have been around. We could tell you about the awards we have won, and we can tell you about our range of products. But what matters most to everyone at Optoma are the lives we have and continue to impact. At the forefront of everything we do at Optoma are our values of customer focus, innovation, and integrity. For years, we've focused on research, development, listening to our customers, finding out how we can help businesses bring ideas to life, and how we can help teachers educate future generations. We strive to provide the visual solutions that make the lives of our customers easier and create unforgettable experiences for everyone who uses an Optoma display. You see, at Optoma, we pride ourselves on creating those memorable experiences. From our creative touch interactive displays, projectors, non-interactive displays, and all-in-one LED displays, to our software solutions and customer-centric service team. We are here to create, connect, and inspire with technology that wows and deliver visual solutions that help people experience more.